Now that you've mastered the art of making chocolate pastry and using it to make spectacular desserts, it's time to take things to the next level. Piped chocolate garnishes. I want to show you a great tool. This turns into a piping parchment cone. So all I do is fold this, and you bring all the points together, folding them around each other. Have them meet at the right angle. Make sure it's closed completely. Then fold the parchment over itself. And there we go. You have a parchment cone ready to fill. So I'll take my fluid chocolate, just a couple of spoonfuls here. And then fold it flat and tuck in the edges. This way, the only place the chocolate is going to come out of is the tip. Like everything, practice makes perfect, and repetition is the key. These designs are not my own creation. These are the classic designs you're taught in pastry school. And of course, these have to chill before I can use them. It only takes a couple of minutes. And I have a tray already set and ready to use. So let's take the beautiful tarte au chocolat up to the next level. With a little whipped cream, I'll pipe a couple of swirls. And by using the garnish and the whipped cream, now you've designated your single portions. Want to stand them upright. Show them off a little bit. There we go. And then to add even more dimension, I'll take the rounded ones and put those towards the front. And there you go. All of a sudden, that simple tarte au chocolat is something absolutely spectacular. Definitely a dessert you can be proud of. And now that you've mastered everything you need to know about making chocolate pastry, you can take these ideas to your own kitchen to bake and enjoy.